Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about singular and plural nouns. First of all, what is singular noun? A singular noun names one person, one place, one animal or one thing. Means when you have a single thing like the cat slept on a chair. Now in this sentence there is only one cat and only one chair. So this is a singular noun. One cat is also a singular noun and one chair is also a singular noun. The child had a ball. Here the child means only one child and a ball means only one ball. So here child and ball are singular noun. He bought a balloon. Here only one balloon is said. So here balloon is singular noun. Whereas plural noun. A plural noun names more than one person, one place, one animal or one thing. Like the books were arranged on the shelf. Here books is given means there are many books, not one. So this is plural noun. She loves to eat mangoes, not one mango, many mangoes. So here mangoes is plural noun. The buckets were filled with water. Not one bucket is filled, there are many buckets filled with water. So buckets here is plural noun. Now, there are different forms of plural noun or there are different methods to write plural nouns. We are going to study this in detail. So, number one is most nouns add an s to indicate the plural form. Now, there are many nouns in which after the word we have to just add a single s and it will become from singular to plural. Like tree, so tree plus s it becomes trees. Goat, goat plus s it becomes goats. Boy, boy plus s become boys. Wall, wall plus s becomes walls. Girl, girl plus s girls. Boat, boat plus s boats. So in these words or in these nouns we have to add only s and it turns into plural form. And number two, nouns ending with an s, ss, ch, x, o or sh should end in es in the plural form. Now there are many nouns whose letter ends with s, double s, ch, x, o or sh. In such words we have to add es like bus plus es buses, glass plus es glasses, watch plus es watches, box plus es boxes, flamingo plus es flamingos, bush plus es bushes, dress plus es dresses, brush plus es brushes, box plus es boxes. Right everyone? So here you can see in the singular form there is s, ss, ch, x, o and sh. So we have added es in these words to make them in plural form. Number 3 is nouns ending with f or fe. Add ves. Now previously we saw that we have to add es, but now the nouns that end with f or fe we have to add ves, like thief, thief plus ves. Now here we have to remove f and fe and add ves, like thief, thief. We have to remove f and then we have to add ves and it becomes thieves, thieves. Shelf, we have to remove F and add VES, it becomes SHELVES, shelves. Wolf, we have to remove F and add VES, it becomes wolves. Wife, we have to remove FE and we have to add WIVES, that is wives. Knife, we have to remove FE and add VES and it becomes knives. So here we have to remove F and FE from the word and add VES. But in some special cases, we don't have to remove F. Like in chief, it will become chiefs. In roof, it will become roofs. Now, number 4 is noun ending with consonant plus Y. We have to add IES. A noun that ends with consonant and Y. Now, what is consonant? Words that like B, C, D, R, L, these are called consonant. And what are vowels? O, E, I, O, U. Apart from O, E, I, O, U, the other words are known as consonant. So here there should be Y in the last and a consonant and a Y. So there you have to remove Y and put IES. For example, you can see lady. So here we are removing Y and we are placing IES, ladies. Fairy, we are removing Y and we have to place IES, fairies. Fly, we have to remove Y and we have to add IES, flies. Story, we have to remove Y and we have to add IES, that is stories. Fairy, we have to remove Y and add IES, that is fairies. Then next, we have seen consonant and Y, right? Now, when you have vowel and Y, we have to remove the Y. We have to add only S. We don't have to remove anything. Like bay, here BAY. So Y and A. A is a vowel which is attached with Y. So here we have to just add S. Tray, trays. Key, keys. Donkey, donkeys. Toy, toys. Whereas there are few nouns whose plural form are written differently. Like man, MAN, man is written as MEN, man. CHILD, child, children. Goose, geese. Mouse, mice. Ox, oxen. And even there are few nouns that have no singular form, right? Trousers, we cannot write trouser. It is written as trousers. Spectacles, we cannot write spectacle. We have to write spectacles. Beans, pliers, news, scissors, binoculars. They don't have singular form. We have to add S. And even there are nouns that have no plural form, like fish, moose, sheep, shrimp, bison, news, money, music. We cannot write new, right? We have to write news. We cannot write monies, we have to write money. We cannot write musics, we have to write music. So these are the singular and plural noun, and how to convert a singular noun into plural noun. First is by adding S, then when you have S, double S, SH, CH, X or O in the singular form, you have to add ES. Then when your noun is ending with Y, we have to remove it and we have to write IES. Then When your noun ends with vowel plus y, we have to add only s. And some of the plural forms are written completely different, like mouse, mice, child, children. Then you have nouns which end with f or fe. You have to remove the f and fe and write ves. So here our chapter ends, and the exercise that is given in your textbooks, we will be solving it in our tomorrow's Zoom meeting class. So it is compulsory for everyone to attend your Zoom class. Alright everyone. Hope you all understood, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in tomorrow's class. Bye. Take care.